Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samadrita and today I have created this simple peachy look using only 5 products. This tutorial is gonna be perfect for those who got no time and patience for doing makeup. If you are getting late or have to be somewhere in a hurry, this is gonna be a last minute savior as the whole process takes only 10 minutes. So let's begin. I will be starting with prepping my skin using Lakme primer. I have already cleaned and moisturized my face. Now primer is very important, and apart from giving a sheer look and smoothing the skin surface, it also creates a safety layer between your skin and the makeup products. The role of primer is to stop the cosmetic particles from getting accumulated in your skin pores, which later may cause breakouts and acne. Since I have acne prone skin, I cannot take the risk of applying makeup directly to my face. Again, it also allows the makeup to remain set for a longer time on your skin, so consider using primer as the basic makeup step. You can also use aloe vera gel or any silicone based primer before applying the base makeup to your skin. I particularly love using this product since it is very lightweight and adds subtle coverage and glow to my skin. The product is also very cost effective and does the job perfectly, just like any high-end products. Next, I will be applying LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. This shade is actually one tone darker than my actual skin tone, and the reason why I chose one shade darker is that first of all, it doesn't make me look unnaturally fair. Secondly, it aptly conceals the pimple marks that are actually darker than my real skin tone. Using a darker shade not only hides the spots but also gives a flawless finish by dissolving the pigmented areas. It may make me look a bit darker, but the skin all over my face remains in the same color. Another benefit of using darker shade is that I do not have to use any color corrector for my under eye area and the mouth zone. In fact, I neither have to be concerned about my neck color, whether it's matching my face or not. Earlier, I used to make the mistake of applying lighter shades on my skin, and my makeup ended up looking fake with a prominent white cast. Soon I realized that makeup is only meant for hiding the flaws and to sharpen the facial features, not completely changing the face or skin tone. So I stopped overdoing my makeup and suggest you do the same. See the coverage, and I do not have to even put any foundation over my face after this. Next, I'm gonna apply blush from the brand Sugar. After doing the base makeup, your face tends to look flat. But to fix this, not all the time you have to do professional contouring to add some definition to your face. The blush itself can do the job perfectly by adding some color. Again, blush minimizes the white cast effect of the base makeup. Apply some on your cheeks, nose and chin. I'm also applying it on my eyelids to avoid using eyeshadows. See how convenient it is. Next, I will use Hyper Volume Mascara from Maybelline. Since I am creating a quick and natural makeup, I will only be using mascara to create a simple eye look. Make sure you are applying at least 3 to 4 coats of mascara on your lashes to make them look bigger and well curled. Again, to save time and effort, I am brushing my eyebrows with the remaining product on the mascara brush to define the shape just like this. See how hassle-free and convenient it is. So yeah, I'm done with eye makeup. Lastly, I'm going to apply liquid lipstick from the brand Wet n Wild in the shade Rebel Rose. It is the best pink nude shade in the most affordable range. If you want to buy any of the products shown in this video, do check the product links in the description below. So here's the final look. I have created this last minute makeup look using only 5 products in just 10 minutes. If you have oily or combination skin, you can add the step of applying face powder after concealer, but I have skipped it since I have dry skin. Hopefully you guys liked my tutorial, so give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon on. We'll be back with another video. Till then, take care, bye bye.